Hi, this is BrainFriend TV, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get started with Bootstrap, and we are going to build some websites with Bootstrap which are responsive. And first of all, we are going to the website getsbootstrap.com. Then we are going to click on the download button, and you have more possibilities to install Bootstrap, and I'm going to use this one because I want to work offline as well. So I click on the download button. I already downloaded Bootstrap, and I have this zip folder in my folder which I created for our website. So I'm going to extract the files, and this is all we need. The next thing we are going to do is we want to create an HTML file, and I call this one index.html. Now we are going back to our Bootstrap website and clicking on the left side on getting started, and we can find a starter template here, and this one we will copy this one by hitting Ctrl C, and now we easily can open our index.html file and just paste the code we copied. So it takes a few moments. I'm using brackets. You can use Notepad++ or any other editor you like. I will save this one, and this is a very simple starter template which just shows you hello world, and here are these tags which you always need if you want to use Bootstrap. And I'm going to show you this website just by clicking on this button, and this is the simple or a simple Bootstrap site. So in the next videos I'm gonna show you what else you can do with Bootstrap, and this is some really cool stuff. I'm pretty sure you will like it. If you like this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.